Hi, I'm Nitya from snsacademy. As we were in the last video discussing about the interactive classroom, as we already discussed about the brainstorm activity and the think, pair, and share activity. Now, in this video, we're going to learn this a buzz session. This is nothing but where we can ask the children to participate in a group. They have to participate for the session for the single topic. We can select any single topic and ask the children to discuss among in a group, and they have to present. So the first session where the child can think and they can discuss on their topic, and each child should be given a chance. Each child should be given a chance to share their ideas and the creative thinking, innovative ideas, whatever they want. Let them share with us so that we can collaborate. All the teacher can collaborate all the concepts, what the ideas the child has shared, so they can discuss among themselves the inner group, and even among the other two groups also, if we had made three groups or something like that. So the each child can discuss among themselves, so what is learned and what had done and what we can do it. So it can be a very easily the child can understand the concept. Here in the bus section, in all the children are participating actively in one for a single topic. So as a teacher, what we have to give, we have to use sparkle some keywords. So what when we are doing the conversation with the children, some the keywords can be introduced related to the topic, so that the children can understand and they can discuss among themselves and they can come up with the different ideas. The child can represent with the help of the some different flow charts, KWL, whatever the charts, the child can use it in the concept map, which helps for the children, and even they can explain and create their ideas, and they can share it with the other group, so that it will be very useful for all the children to understand. So each and every child will participate in the discussion. So as we were discussing the how the word problem to be solved for the addition. So usually the addition, what are the keywords we are using there. So as a teacher, we have to give some words for the children. So these are the keywords for that related to the topic, so that the child can discuss among themselves, and they can come up with the different ideas. So for example, if we are giving a word problem on addition, the child can solve the problem, so that we can so that with the different ideas, the child can come up with the some by drawing the objects and telling this what is the given and what I need to find out, so that what are the different methods I use to calculate the total number. Though some child might be thinking about how can I use the total number by drawing objects or by using the fingers, and even some hands-on demonstration also. The child we can give the children some beads or the counters, whatever the beads or the counters, whatever we want, where we can use the one more activity, the individual activity. This is the exit slip. Exit slip is nothing but at the end of the session, what the child has learned. We can ask the children for example, when we are giving the addition problems and all. So what they learned and what question they had. So if they are having some question, so ask them to write it in the exit slip, what they learned today, and if the child has any question, they can write it in the exit slip. So what is the use of this exit slip? When the child is writing, the child will come, we will come to know where the child is lagging, and what the concept, how much the child has understood the concept, so that when we are introducing the next concept, before that by collecting all the questions exit slip from each child, so we can ask the child to write it by tomorrow and give it in the next class, so that it will be helpful. We can collaborate all the questions and what are the where the child is where the children are having the doubts, so we can ask them each and every child to find out what is the problem and how can we find out. So in the exit slip the child will come to know what they have learned and what question they had, so that it will be very useful for recapitulation of our concept for the next day. When before starting the class for the next concept, we can discuss this, that what we have done yesterday, just to check the previous knowledge of the child, so what they learned and how they what we are going to do it in this class, and how we are going to proceed this with the concept, because most of the concepts we are relating from the previous classes to the next class. If the child is clear with that concept, so that we can go to the next and we can make them to understand what they learn. Okay, thank you. In the further videos we will see the how we can make the more interactive classroom with the different activities. Thank you.